She's licking it.
Stuck to her face.
Daddy,
It
see
wasn't
he
that
eating
windy,
mamam. You need
Yeah,
for
it was
daddy
really
so we
good.
can eat the mamam. Yeah. Yeah. She's like leaning over her like. Yeah.
I think she's like this.
There we go. Ready for your rice cereal?
Foot. You just like feed her just like how she eats. She ate already.
It's fun. Oh, well, there was a coffee.
Give her a little.
This is a little.
And then just put it in her mouth and just try suck on it. Did you taste it?
No, I ain't tasting this. She sucked it. She go,
Yeah. Marzi.
maybe she half tasted because the breast milk. Oh.
Chat, don't put like that. Stick on the ground.
No, she grabbed my hand.
So you drink it over.
Do you love it?
Is it fun, Marzi? Is it fun?
Woohoo! Big girl! Oh my god!
She's actually not spitting it out. She's eating it. Maybe because she tastes the breast milk. She's like, oh, this is kind of similar. The doctor said not to put the rice cereal in a bottle. They said to feed it to her so she learns textures and knows how to eat from a spoon.
Oh!
It's okay. That one came out.
It's a messy.
It's supposed to be more
Yeah.
thick
Oh, leave it like that for now.
because I just
Stick
guessed
it
the
out.
measurements.
You're
What?
sweet.
Your daddy, mama,
She
mama.
daddy.
Let me see. Oh my God, the winds and the rain is going to come, it says. Strong cold front to bring high winds, heavy rain, thunderstorms.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
No. Okay, ready? Oh.
At least she has a cute bowl on, you know.